I don't want to make it more difficult for people to get divorced. And this is timely because we just had our new Speaker of the House talking about covenant marriages. And so there is a lot of discussion about, should it, no fault divorce does make it easier to get divorced. But I don't hate the idea of two people committing to a process for a certain amount of time to try to resolve their differences or come to some agreements about restructuring their family without going through the court process, because I've seen the court process destroy families and just make it harder for a family to restructure.
Yeah, it's not just the court process, right? Like, it is the forms, the procedure in and of itself. So the court process is really problematic because it ramps up conflict. It destroys trust instead of building it. It gives us really only one main solution to resolving issues, which is, to battle it out. But the forms in and of itself, every state has, 20, 30, 40, sometimes 50 forms that you have to do. And if you are self-represented and you look at the form and it says, you are the defendant, you are the respondent, you are being sued, you have to do X. And then it has a bunch of language that you have no idea what it means. I mean, crazy language. Like in Texas, it will say something like standard order of possession. What the heck does that mean? It has to do with your kids.
Right.
Order of possession. I mean, these words are crazy. Like, if that doesn't ramp up fear and turn people into angry, like, I don't know what does. So the entire system